We bought these, they're called Gravity Electric salt and pepper little shaker sets. So let's take a look and see what comes in the box. So we're gonna pop the box open, a little tab there, pull them out. So first thing you're gonna notice is they're wrapped pretty well. Pull out one, pull out two, and then the rest of the stuff in the box. So as you can notice, there's this little kind of brush thing. Then there's a handy little instruction guide. And then also in the box is this little brochure card of little tip guide. So let's take a look at what these look like. This is the pink version. So as you can see, they're quite pink. Open the other one. So the only way you're gonna know they are salt and pepper is by what's inside.